Hello students, welcome to Breedmark Academy. Myself LS Nanda. Now in our previous year question series of JEE Main and JEE Advanced, this is the today's question. This is a good problem on the concept of increasing and decreasing functions. It says let G from open interval 0 to infinity to capital R be a differentiable function such that integral of x into inside the bracket cos x minus sin x whole divided upon e to the power x plus 1 plus g of x into inside the bracket e to the power x plus 1 minus x into e to the power x whole divided upon e to the power x plus 1 whole square dx equal to x into g of x divided upon e to the power x plus 1 plus c for all x greater than 0, where c is an arbitrary constant, then first option is given as g is decreasing in open interval 0 to pi by 4. Second option is g dash is increasing in open interval 0 to pi by 4. Third option is g plus g dash is increasing in open interval 0 to pi by 4. And the last option is given as g minus g dash is increasing in open interval 0 to pi by 4. Now students, this is very much clear from the question that we have to check the increasing and decreasing nature of the functions g, g dash, g plus g dash and g minus g dash. Now to solve this particular problem, I will differentiate both sides of this equation with respect to x. Now students, we know that whenever we have to differentiate integral of fx dx with respect to x, then we get just fx. So that means while differentiating the term on the left hand side, I will be getting the function inside the integral sign. So we get x into inside the bracket cos x minus sin x divided upon e to the power x plus 1 plus g of x into inside the bracket e to the power x plus 1 minus x into e to the power x divided upon e to the power x plus 1 whole square equal to. Now students, we will have to differentiate the term on the right hand side of the equation with respect to x by using quotient rule. So now in the denominator, we will have e to the power x plus 1 whole square, and in the numerator, we will have e to the power x plus 1 into g of x plus x into g dash x bracket close minus x into e to the power x into g of x. Right? Now students, we move further. Now students, just multiply both sides of this equation by e to the power x plus 1 whole square. So you will be getting x into inside the bracket cos x minus sin x into inside another bracket e to the power x plus 1 plus g of x into inside another bracket e to the power x plus 1 minus x into e to the power x equal to inside the bracket e to the power x plus 1 into gx outside the bracket plus x into g dash x into inside the bracket e to the power x plus 1 minus x into e to the power x into g of x. Now students, if you collect these two terms by taking out g of x common, then these two terms will cancel with this term on the left hand side because both of them are same. So now you will be left with x into cos x minus sin x into e to the power x plus 1 equal to x into g dash x into e to the power x plus 1. Now students, since x is positive, it is greater than 0. So I can cancel x on both the sides as well as e to the power x plus 1. So now we have g dash x equal to cos x minus sin x. Now just integrate both sides with respect to x. So you will be getting gx equal to sin x plus cos x plus c, where c is the constant of integration. Now students, we move further. Now students, we have g dash x equal to cos x minus sin x. Just multiply and divide it by root 2. So you will be getting root 2 into 1 upon root 2 into cos x minus 1 upon root 2 into sin x. And this can be further written as root 2 into cos of x plus pi by 4. Now students, when x lies in the open interval 0 to pi by 4, then I can say that x plus pi by 4 will lie in the open interval pi by 4 to pi by 2. So that means x plus pi by 4 lies in the first quadrant. And we know that in the first quadrant cosine is positive. So that means g dash x is positive. So we finally conclude that gx is increasing in open interval 0 to pi by 4. And hence option A is wrong. Now students, to check the second option, we have to decide whether g dash x is increasing function or decreasing function in the open interval 0 to pi by 4. So for that purpose, we need to find g double dash x. And g double dash x is minus sin x minus cos x. Now this can be written as minus root 2 into 1 upon root 2 into sin x plus 1 upon root 2 into cos of x. And this becomes minus root 2 into sine of x plus pi by 4. Right? Now students, we know that when x lies in the open interval 0 to pi by 4, then x plus pi by 4 lies in the open interval pi by 4 to pi by 2. So this means that x plus pi by 4 lies in the first quadrant, and hence I can say that sine of x plus pi by 4 will be positive because sine is positive in the first quadrant. But due to this minus sign, this expression will become less than 0. So that means g double dash x is negative. And if g double dash x is negative, then I can say that g dash x is decreasing in open interval 0 to pi by 4. So that means option B is also incorrect. Now we move to the third and fourth options. Now students, we have g of x equal to sin x plus cos x plus c, and g dash x equal to cos x minus sin x. Now just add both of these functions. So you will be getting g plus g dash equal to 2 cos x plus c. So the derivative of g plus g dash with respect to x will be equal to minus 2 sin x. Right? Now students, when x lies in the open interval 0 to pi by 4, then sin x is positive. So obviously I can say that minus 2 sin x will be negative. So hence we conclude that g plus g dash is decreasing in open interval 0 to pi by 4. So that means option C is also incorrect. Now obviously option D will be correct because one of the options has to be correct, but still we will check the fourth option. Now find the function g of x minus g dash x. Now g of x minus g dash x will be 2 sine x plus c. Now find its derivative. So g minus g dash whole dash becomes equal to 2 cos x. Now students, since x lies in the open interval 0 to pi by 4, that means in the first quadrant, so cos x will be positive, and hence I can say that g minus g dash whole dash will also be positive. Or we conclude that g minus g dash is increasing in open interval 0 to pi by 4. Right? So that means option D is the correct one. Now students, next question I will be posting in tomorrow's video. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching my videos and enhance your knowledge of mathematics. Thanks.